Hi, Cage. Congrats on first and enjoy your lurkies. Good luck with work. I was trying to like fine-tune the mouth movements on this model. It's really difficult to do. But oh well. It is what it is. Oh yeah, this is a like 7-minute song. We're not listening to this. We're just gonna send it. We're gonna send it. I know what I'm doing. Yep. What? What? Definitely know what I'm doing. Not scuffed streamer at all. Oh, the motion tracker can be heard. I was right about that. Fuck yeah. Fuck, what was I doing? Right. I'm alone for now. We're good. I can get back into the swing of things. Hi, Brew. How you doing? Oh, there we go. I'll figure out how to fix that eventually. Maybe in an update. They did already release an update for the model. I just have not done it yet because I'm scared. But I found a tutorial on it, so soon. I'm doing pretty good. How are you? I woke up with the desire to stream, so here we are.
Visitors are asked to refrain from smoking.
Is there a spot it can get in here? Just finished chores. Got ready for bed. Now all that's left is getting up and tucking myself in. Oh, good luck with that. Bee! Enjoy your chalky milk. Oh, I have to do one of these. I hear you. I don't think it can get in here yet, at least. I literally bought the new model 2 days ago and set it up for yesterday, so it's literally brand new. Cage, Brew, Bliss, enjoy your chalky milk. Hello, everyone. Oh, there we go. I got both hands, it's fine. Lactose intolerant, but that won't stop me. It doesn't stop Bliss either. But also, I get Fairlife. So, lactose free. So you're safe. What indeed? No, don't start opening. Okay. Never mind. It's just that. Wait! What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Debating Fairlife for breakfast. Fairlife is always a good choice. Yes, one of my bestest friends.
Synthetic nurses operated this facility. If you'd rather be attended by a human, please ask.
Oh no. It can't get in. Yes, you are my bestest friend. But yeah. That bitch almost got me. Am I supposed to be leaving now? Surely not. Better edit that shit right now? I'm irritated. I worked on the mouth right before stream and it's not moving the way it was when I was working on it. No, not you too. You have to call someone today? Oh no. I'm sorry, V. I hate phone calls. I have to, oh, there's a button over here. I hear it booping behind me. I have to like rehearse that shit a million times before I actually call someone. No matter what. There's not a surprise vent over me, is there? No. Okay. Cool. But there is now a fucking android. God damn it. You have to be in a manic episode? What, in order to make a phone call?
Ripley, are you okay? Ripley?
Not now. Shut the fuck up. Where am I going? What do I do now? Hi, Holly. How you doing? Son of a bitch. Will you eat the android?
We're experiencing a heightened containment hazard level today.
Damn. I was hoping that would, you know, make the xenomorph drop down for food. Oh well. I'm doing pretty good. I was very thrown off when I woke up and my phone said it was like 6:30 in the morning and I'm like, why the fuck am I awake? And then I remembered time change happened. So it made a lot more sense. What am I doing? It does not want me to fucking go near that door.
San Cristobal Medical Facility recommends safety
Ah.
medical assurance. Really when you're far from home.
Oh, god damn it. Okay, I figured it out. There's a computer terminal. I gotta go there. And I already used my noisemaker. I can make more though. Okay, we're good. I can distract the robot again. I actually gotta make all the noisemakers. Hey yo, Hugh Jazz, how you doing? Oops. Yeah, go investigate the other one. I'm now out of noisemakers. Oh shit.
What are you doing here?
No, you don't see me. You don't see me. You don't see me. You don't see me. It's fine. 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 You don't see me. You don't see me. You don't see me.
This is entirely unauthorized launch.
Oh, thank fuck. Please don't be there. Please don't be there. Please don't be there. Thank you. Where's that thing to hide in? No! 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 I forgot there were people here. I thought the xenomorph ate them. Oh, there's a thing. No, let me out. Let me go. There we go. Let me out. Oh no. Oh no. Let's just hide for a minute? Maybe? Good luck, bees!
Can't believe we're doing this again. If they come out, we just shoot, right? I haven't found anything yet. They can't have gone far.
Fuck off, people! Ha! Losers. Ah, fuck. Be satisfied with them. Just be satisfied with them. Stumpies are gone. I think it went up. Yep, okay. Oh shit, I gotta go that way. Sorry for all the flashing lights. Don't notice me, please don't notice me. Okay. Oh no. Oh shit! Don't notice me. Don't notice me. I thought it had already seen me, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me. You're gonna see me. You found me. You've definitely found me, haven't you? Oh? Oh, this actually works? I never had this work. Holy fuck. Okay. Cutscene! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck. Escape where? Escape how? Ah, that one door that's open. Give me like 2 seconds. I want to make sure there's no loot. Yeah, that figures. Okay. Just escape? Shit, you right. Did we win? I don't know. My vision's all fucked up. This is not an escape route.
Grimgard, my name is Julia Jones, and I'm a writer covering Sevastopol's decommissioning. I was hoping to interview you about your experiences on the station. You know, the limited medical resources,
That's why you wear
mental effects on
glasses.
patients.
Shut up.
That kind of thing. But look, Doctor, I've heard
Do you see glasses on me?
no one seems to know anything. Doctor, there's a major public health issue here on Sevastopol. People need to know. I'm freelance, unbiased. I don't have any corporate affiliation. Let me be a friend to you. Call me.
And it's not giving me any pointers. Okay, fuck. I might be dead, guys. Oh, climb? Oh. Okay. Because this is smart. Oh, I had to hit E. Ha! My bad. Wait. Did that fucking killed me? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? That killed me? No! Fuck! Ugh. I hate this game, dude. I hate this game. No, that'll... Does it open the robot just with that one, or is it when both are active? I don't really want to take the chance to find out.
Ripley, are you okay? Ripley?
Did that go up or down? Okay. Yes. All the way down that way. All the way. Okay.
You're clear, Ripley.
you're a person. Hi, Faye. How you doing? You did not see me. I wonder if I'll get, you know, I wonder if I'll get as lucky as last time.
Search everywhere. Nothing over here.
Sorry, you're sleepy.
Like this. Any luck?
I had let go of the holding your breath button, so I figured that would help. But no, apparently I gotta let go of both. Whoops. My Xeno friend's not gonna eat them, is she? Shit. Oh. Oh, she might. Nope, she went away. Fuck.
Just saw someone over there.
Now she might.
Gotta be around here somewhere.
Don't look for me! He shot his gun!
It found me! We're not alone. I just saw someone over there.
What? He shouts, "It found me," and then she doesn't even hunt him? Are you kidding me? Go get them! Free food! God damn it. I can't tell if she actually, I didn't hear any noises of death. God damn it, they were right there. They're the way I need to go. Haha! Now she's got them. Does that mean there's still a person standing right fucking there? Oh no, it's her. I'm being spawn camped. Locker camped? I don't know. You can leave. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna have to go. Nope. I hear her walking behind me. God damn it. This went so well the first time. Why'd I have to die? notice me.
Visitors are asking for safe.
Please don't. I'm so doomed. This man keeps talking. He's right up there. And I'm getting camped by the Xeno. Fuck.
Just never left the others.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't have. You'd be dead. It would have helped me. Come get him, he's right here.
God, you feel it.
You fool. You fool. You fucking fool. You shot me. How? What? No. Fuck. God damn it. You know what? We're gonna try this one first. We'll see. It's probably once both are active. I really hope it's once both are active. Seems to be once both are active.
Is operated this facility. Would you rather be attended by a human? Please ask.
Hey, J-Try! Enjoy your chalky milk! New model, who dis?
Ripley, are you okay? Ripley,
It's a moose. It's a moose. He's struggling through alien. Where is he? There he is. Okay, open the fucking door. Open the fucking door, open the fucking door!
Transitory patients must supply their crew number and documentation.
you're clear, Ripley. Hurry.
Oh, I see that. Can I? You know, I'm not that far. Maybe I can. I'm not gonna chance it. Who am I kidding? Who am I fucking kidding? This is so nerve-wracking.
San Cristobal Medical Facility recommends seeking medical insurance clearly when you are trouble.
Please don't. Please don't. Don't see. Holy fuck. Okay. We're good. Sorry for the sudden loud noises. Again. But now I know what to do. Spam E. Just in case. Okay. I'm spamming E just in case. Because I don't want to do this again. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Nope, 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 nope. Don't fall. Don't fall. Just keep going. I will hydrate when I am done climbing. Oh great, now we're in her vents. Okay. Now I will hydrate. I'll try not to hit the microphone with my water bottle. I kept swimming all right. Through all that fire. Now I'm only a little bit terrified that I'm in these vents. Oh, still in vents. Okay. Hit the button. Whew! Hopefully there's a save after this elevator. I don't want to do that again.
Fault detected. Shutting down.
I don't see a phone anywhere. I'm noticing a distinct lack of phones. It had the little tape icon? Okay, good. I missed that. That typically means autosave. Hallelujah. I'm being followed. Wait, I saw that up there.
There's a piece missing. I need to fix that.
I can't jump. I saw a thing.
Elevator malfunction.
That's fine.
Repair required.
Be more. Just shoot anything that moves. This is so fucked up. Keep it together. Just killed him. And now they're dead too. Just
Okay, Cage. Have a great day at work. Thanks for hanging out. And don't worry, if you don't get to swing back by, I'll be live again later after I go out to lunch. I got a drawing stream to do. I owe people their rewards. Oh. Whoops. Well, shit. Ah, damn it. It is a dead end. Okay. That's fine.
feels like a graveyard, huh?
Oh no. She can't get me in vents, can she? I mean, she hasn't so far. But,
There's all kinds of noise in the vent.
still a concern.
Remind me why I agreed to this contract.
You guys okay? Mahoney, thank God. We got jumped. Looters.
On the security team. Can you get up here?
We're trapped. Elevator's out.
You're right by system.
I heard something.
No, you didn't.
Shadows.
Sounds like she's hunting, though. Possibly.
I thought I hated Seegson before. Listen, could be anywhere.
I'm dying for a smoke. Remind me why I agreed to this contract.
I don't know, but you should definitely walk the other way. Hold on. I have realized. Calibration. Okay. Whoop. There we go.
Listen up for a moment. Could be anywhere.
Is he really standing like right above me? Like what the fuck?
I ain't dying here. No way. We can get through this. Dying for a smoke.
Maybe he's on the other side. Oh no, he's just facing that way. Okay. Sure. I'll take it. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go. I think I may have just chose the wrong way. It's fine. It's fine. Totally fine. Should have gone to safety? Where was safety?
This whole station's got shit. We've only done what
I
we
don't
had
think
to.
there's anywhere safe here. Okay. Report Smythe, head of synthetic development. I just received schematics for the 120A8. I don't know how much we paid our mole, but the Seegson board is gonna need to shell out a hell of a lot more. I know this seems old tech for WY, but it's beyond anything we're capable of. Our key executives and shareholders won't listen, but we need investment. The company and all its subsidiaries are light years ahead of us. That's... Fuck it, we ball.
Smythe, I've been looking over your report on the Weyland-Yutani androids and your proposals for improving the working Joes. Now, I appreciate the work you put in, but understand we live in different worlds. Yours is full of extrapolations and estimations. Mine has an executive suite and $8,000 suits. Bottom line is, I gotta look after the
Why can't I
whole
hide in a locker here?
I hired you because you were the cheapest, not the best. Find a way to bring these costs down, huh? Ransom out.
That'd be done against it. Your idea, not mine.
Straight for the save.
Glad I found you guys.
You know, I should make things. What am I missing for this? Oh. I have not been able to make a pipe bomb yet, so no, I should not make things. I should wait. I want a pipe bomb. Oh god, wall of text. Very upsetting that I can't play horror games. I'm sorry, Brew. I enjoy horror games, but I also hate horror games at the same time. I like the adrenaline, but sometimes they get me too good. Russell, here's my spiel for the potential clients today. What do you think? Spedding will hang me out to dry if they don't bite. Welcome, gentlemen. Welcome to the buzzing heart of Sevastopol Synthetic Solution. Next up on your tour will be the Systex Spire and the Apollo Core itself, but first, an example of Android self-governance. When Apollo's synthetics require a little more care than the repair wards can provide, they come here. We believe this is the first rollout of fully automated synthetic-to-synthetic medical intervention. No human expertise required, no costly human surgical training. All data is streamed directly from Apollo, and every incision recorded in his logs. This is the future, gentlemen. Tomorrow, together. They make monsters too hot. You know what? Or there's that. Get scared and start crying. It's okay, I'll protect you. Oh. Unless it's pacify. That bitch terrifies me. Russell, upstairs. Upstairs want a full rundown on what we've got stacked in component storage. There's some useful stuff in there, some junk. They want value estimates too. Smythe. Oh, I did not mean to back out of that. Ah! I'm back in. Never mind, there was nothing else. We're done. Ooh. I have not used a smoke bomb once. Oh, thank you for bringing my drink. Watch out for vents. Watch out for vents. Son of a bitch. Going to guess we want back up. We want uppies! No, terminal. Look at the terminal. There we go. Twitch is so biased. I haven't gotten a random gift sub in a year, and after I gave a couple during September, I suddenly have half a dozen gift subs to channels. Yeah! Yeah, I've noticed that. Like, ever since I've started, like, actually gifting subs and, like, buying my own subs and stuff, Twitch is a lot more, like, willing to give me gifted subs. It's like, wait. This is money-based? Seriously? Of all things? I'll go, like, so many months with no gift subs, and then all of a sudden I'll get, like, 12, and I'm like, what the fuck? And usually it's channels I've hung out in, like, maybe once. Are we surprised, though? Not really. Not since Daddy Bezos bought us out. Ugh. My sternum hurts. I slept weird. Together tomorrow, Seegson's journey into colonial space and official history, but oh, it's this guy again. I think we've already read this one. VP visit. Smythe, have you been practicing the script for the VPs today? We need to impress. Noise from upstairs. Blah 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 blah. I don't care. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's deadly. How much Muzi is in the Muzi Burger sub badge? I don't know how to answer that. Device invalid? What do you mean? Gotta release more fucking androids. Why is she so noisy up there? Device invalid. Wait, what? I mean, I just saved. Fuck it, we ball. Oh, it's invisible wall. Okay. Okay. It won't let me say fuck it, we ball. Got it. Too stinky. Like, she's so fucking noisy. It makes me want to, like, just crouch the entire time. Great, so you're gonna come out of there while I'm down here, so that'll be fun. Another save point. That'll be fun. Oh, Lord. Okay. Ooh. Okay. We're upgraded. It's cool. I'm sorry, we want to power up the android? I don't think she can get me here. I feel like this is temporarily one of those safe segments. Until I get proven wrong. We're just gonna obnoxiously save while we can. That's always the strat. Unless you're doing a challenge run. But fuck that shit. Where's that one? Oh, they got longer. Okay.
Precision android power online and awaiting activation.
I have to go down there to do it? Bruh. Bruh. I don't want to be, like, within arm's reach. going to assume that was the right call. No, was I actually supposed to talk to it? Okay. We're gonna save! We're also gonna see what's in here, because I forgot about this door. Spetting, now you've fired me and you'll have to descend from your ivory tower to pick up the slack. The guys decommissioning Sevastopol have free access to supplies and storage, but everything will need logging. So use the requisitions android, power him up, let him out of his box, and watch him go, just like me, huh? By the time you get this, I'll be dead drunk in Gillen's bar. I guess you already know this, but it's been pure hell working for you. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me, Smythe. I just got another message from Spetting about the busted elevator outside the Android Examination Theater. My guys have got a million things to do right now, so it's not going to be fixed in time for your VIP visit. If Spetting wants to be a priority, then maybe he should stop being a petulant asshole. It's an easy job. Off the top of my head, I can tell you the parts you need are in component storage, row 1, stack B. If you can't find it yourself, ask the requisitions android. Just get off my back. Chief.
Sevastopol's Apollo system, and you totally fucked the android presentation. They're not interested. So no bonus for me, no half share for you, and God only knows what it means for the suits upstairs. That's got me pissed. But you know what's getting me even more pissed? I have to stay on Sevastopol to oversee the synthetic shutdown while you go home. Don't have nightmares of the trip back, jackass.
Everyone's so hostile to each other here. Do I have to talk to you?
How can I help you?
I need a compression cylinder.
Components warehouse. Row 1, stack B. Follow me.
Just keep the noise down, okay?
Here we are. Your compression cylinder will be found at the far end of this row.
In we go. Oh, is this just... Oh, this is just hiding. Oh, dear God. Yeah, I figured. Well, I'm confused. Huh. okay. Oh wait, does that do the? It does the same shit. Okay. What the fuck am I doing? Is there a way to move that back? That's powered down. Oh, that one works. No, not up. Down. Yes. Totally knew what I was doing. I don't like that I can hear her everywhere. Enjoy your chalky milk. Sorry, I realized that these have components on them. So I need to check for, yep, for like the things to make a bomb. Can't hit it from the side. Why? Stop making so much noise. You will get your chance to kill me later. Nada. Did I just really do all that for almost nothing? Damn it. Can I make one yet? No. I can make a Molotov though. That's something. Where do I need to take this? Oh. Of course. I'm gonna go save first. I don't want to do all that again. Guys. Random. But should I change the chalky milk to hot cocoa for the cold season? Especially because hot cocoa is my comfort drink. Oh wait, no, the people are out here, that's right. Yes? Okay.
We shouldn't have done that back there. You know we're hungry, right? So wrong.
Did you eat a person? Or did you just kill someone because you're running out of rations? Costco size chocolate, hot chocolate mix. Is it like one of the like big round containers? I've been buying like the 30 packs of the Swiss Miss. The little packets.
Feels like a graveyard, huh?
It was like 10 bucks. Damn. I probably should start buying the big like canisters of it. It'd probably last a little bit longer.
Keep it together.
Oh wait,
We can get through this.
was that supposed to? Am I going the wrong way? I might be going the wrong way. Part of me wants to just run and find out where I'm supposed to go. And then after I inevitably die, it'll make it easier to... Nope, this is... Okay, this is the way. Alrighty. I want to measure it out. I just want to call the... Ah! Measure the milk and call it good. Yeah, that's what I normally do.
I just saw someone over there.
The problem is I get the packets of 30 and then I use 2. I like it really chocolatey.
Check everything. This place is full of hiding spots.
Can I make one yet? Soon!
We need to know if it's human.
I just need one more. 12 ounces of milk and 2 packets. I just boil water. Because I have the electric kettle. So it makes it super quick and easy. As long as I'm using 2 packets, I don't mind using the water. If I use just 1 packet, it has to be milk or else it's not good enough. Oh, she's back! Oh, I missed it. Damn. Hate how it tastes with water. Me too, but that's why I'm like 2 packets. And then I use like... I don't measure out the water, so I don't know exactly how much. It would be pretty cool if the blood would drip down. Heh. That's an insane sentence out of context. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna back up and let her do her thing. I had to back up this far just in case she decides to climb down here so that way I can see her coming. And I don't get as spooked. Damn. No wonder I don't have any of those. It goes into all my med kits. Bubba, 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 bubba. I don't like that. I don't think I can climb out there. Shit. Support women's wrongs in this house. That's out of pocket. Why are you stomping around where I need to go? Hi. You dragged that body with your tail. I'm a little impressed. Alright, fuck, I guess we ball? Yeah, I had that coming. Fair and valid. This is exactly why I went back and saved. Oh, I need to put a coaster under that. It's getting my Kirby desk mat all wet. That's not okay. I already feel bad because Kirby's got a little bit of a coffee stain. No, not this way. That way.
Anyone else catch that? False alarm.
Someone actually looked up? That's not realistic at all. Love when I open a whip and it's got a whopping 6 words written and it stopped mid-sentence. Yeah, you know how that works.
Remind me why I agreed to this contract.
I think I go this way. I assume I go this way. I go this way. It's worse when it's an older whip too. This one is 8 months old. Oh god. Wanted to go back and try writing it more. It's completely gone. That's why you need like one document that's just bullet points of what you want to write. To get your brain flowing when you go back to it. Or you can do that thing where you just randomly write like the solid idea you have and then go from there. Either make it the beginning point or like work backwards. Oh! Why? Why is she tormenting me so? Just brain dump it all. Exactly. Oh, wait. Do I want this? No. You don't see anything. Oh, I can't press it? Man.
I am down to my last.
Did you not see the xenomorph drop down? Seriously, dude. It does look like the scare floor. I saw it too. Oh, fuck. Hi. I have one of those too. I should probably heal. Fuck you. Wait, did I just waste all those? I think I just wasted all those. What the fuck? There is no reason for that. Oh, she got me. I missed. It's fine, we saved. Okay. Alright, so don't try to go murder spree, just go into the vent. It's fine. Literally, she stole one of your people! She stole one of your people. And you're worried about me? What the actual fuck? I ran the wrong way. Obviously, the potential threat is more pressing than the immediate threat. Yes, definitely. The one that can be talked to and understand you is more of a threat than the thing that does not speak your language and just kills your people indiscriminately. I understand. Could you just fuck off? No, you're not dead. God damn it. I get it. The alien's hotter, so they can't worry about the alien. The alien's got it going on. Ripley does not. I get it. God. I've seen them legs. I've seen them legs up close. Hi, bye. Have fun with your new toy. Why were they staring at me?
Everywhere is so empty.
This is all shit. I heard something. Must have been nothing.
Alright, fine. No loot for me. Is it really just go in the elevator? Okay. Sure, I'll take it. I have completed the 7th mission. Ah. Do I think I do. I'm gonna try it. We'll see. Okay, but the real question is, the alien is that hot. Why is she obsessed with Ripley? Fuck. Hiding is only temporary. You underestimate my ability to stay in one spot for a long time. Listen. I would agree with you. I don't have an ion torch. I don't think I go here yet. I don't go here yet. Boop. Instructions unclear. Ripley is a 10 to the alien. I guess we know her tastes. Gotta be part of that Ripley gene pool. Ah, the transit station. Okay, that is slowly getting more stressful.
I sent you a
Cutscene.
clear directive not to land on station.
I told you we didn't hear your message. We understood you would be...
Hey,
Identify yourself.
Ripley, from the Torrens.
Relax, kid.
What the hell is going on here, Marshall? Where's the security forces?
You're looking at them.
I've seen the creature. What is it?
I don't know. Something brought here by Marlowe, the captain of the Anisadora.
The ship that found the flight recorder.
Is there anywhere safe left on this station? That creature's running around, and the Seeks and synthetics are less than friendly.
Goddamn androids. Ripley? Taylor needs attention.
Medical's a no-go. We can't take her there.
We have a basic life support unit back at HQ.
Then let's go.
We need the transit to get to HQ, but it's down. Transit control is upstairs. Samuels says you're an engineer. Go make yourself useful, seeing as you screwed up the trap.
Yeah, right. We'll talk about that later, Waits. You protect them while I'm gone. Understood?
Ricardo, get a lock on our radio so we can stay in touch.
Are you all right, Ripley?
Peachy.
We really should hurry. Taylor...
Don't worry, Samuels. We'll get her out of here.
Where is she going? Not her. Your mom. Where's your mom going? I know where she's going.
You realize coming aboard was a bad idea yet?
I wouldn't call the welcome friendly.
He hasn't slept in days.
Greece?
Me neither.
I'm so fucking jealous. I want to go. Tell her to pet the cats for me. Going to... I'm gonna butcher the second one. I'm not gonna lie. Athens, Naxos, and Santorini? Well. You better share pictures. And she better share pictures. Because if she doesn't share pictures, you can't share pictures. Oh, hey, one of these. I haven't seen one of these in forever. Boop. Ba-do-ba-do-ba-do-ba-da. Ooh. Please don't.
Someone shut everything off.
Hello? I know someone's in here. Calm down in there, you android fuck. This is every color fucked up.
Yeah, no shit. Whoops.
I went to a lot of trouble to secure this place.
Synthetics shouldn't just kill. I don't get it.
Making her get a Discord because I guess their cell services go out a lot.
God, I hate this place.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. Plus, no, like, international fees or anything, because Wi-Fi.
This is every color fucked up. You're not going anywhere.
You're right, I'm standing still.
Kill. I don't get it.
What the fuck was that?
Nothing.
It's nothing.
Exactly, it's nothing. Get fucked. Do I have to pull it again? No. Okay. Ah.
You shouldn't be here.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, Android. Shut the fuck up. Shit. 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 Shit.
This is a safety breach and will not be tolerated.
Shit. What do I do? What do I do? I was gonna hit him. Why couldn't I hit him? Why couldn't I hit him? There we go. Shit. Shit. I don't have no more. Fuck. How do I kill an android? How do I? It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. La 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 la. Lots and lots of bullets. Good to know. Because I feel like that is one of those times I need to kill the android. Probably didn't need to kill the person, but I don't know. Made it a lot easier. I do need a pee break soon, though.
Someone shut everything off.
Oh, I know someone's in here. Calm down in there, you android fuck.
Oh, good. He's hysterical now.
Can't believe those assholes threw me out.
I went to a lot of trouble to secure this place.
Cool. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take you out early. There we go. Perfect.
You shouldn't be here. Come with me, please.
Oh shit. That did not last. Okay. What the fuck? Reload! Reload! I held the button! No, no flashlight. Oh, thank fuck. Okay. I whiffed quite a few of those shots, but you know what? It's fine. The android's dead. That's what matters. Hey, I got ammo back. Not a lot, but I got ammo back. Damn. That death cost me the... Well, maybe not that one. But one of these deaths I've had cost me the ability to make a pipe bomb in one good loot. So that's upsetting. Listen, you crazy bastard. You think that thing gets around in a fucking transit car? You're sitting on an override that'll disconnect the transit from Apollo, so fucking pull it. You can stop all this bullshit just by pulling a lever. You think you're safer with the transit powered down, but we're trapped like rats. For God's sake, help us. Oops. Got a heads up for you, jackass. Don't even think about throwing in with Sinclair and Seegson security guys. I told them that you killed... It was you that killed Morrison. If they see you, they'll shoot on sight. You should have let me join you in your bolt hole? Ooh. You won't last a week. Cool. Ooh, gas torch. Well... Aha. Okay, I was like, wait.
Ripley, this is Waits. The transit's here and we're waiting on you.
Take it. I had some trouble, so it's gonna take me a while to get back.
We can wait.
No, you
Taylor
fucking can't.
I can catch the next car.
Your call.
Dude, you've also got a fucking monster going around everywhere. You really want to fucking wait?
It's Sinclair. We need supplies. Take what you can from whoever you want. I found an area in habitation where we can seal ourselves in and wait for rescue. I've got guys welding vents shut and shutting off elevators. Plan is to make it watertight. There's no room for more people in the sanctuary, but we can make space for their food, meds, water, and guns. If we're gonna get everyone through this alive, there's no room for pity.
Wait, so which one? Whoops. You know what? That works. Pee break time. We'll be right back. You know what? No, the song is too slow. This one's probably too slow too. Let's do this one. I'll be back. I fucked up. I took a little too long and this bop came on. It's okay. It's okay. Next time. Next break. Next break. Next break. Or when we're ending. One of the two. Whatever comes first. Okay.
Ripley, we heard voices as we left. Watch yourself.
Still think we need more supplies, guns,
Haha.
wherever we can find it.
Maybe he's found a better site to raid.
Or a way off this fuck heap. That, or today's the day we finally seal ourselves into the habitation life.
Find our transit service station. Still have one
Holy
more.
fuck, there's 4 of them? What the fuck?
Listen out for movement. Could be anywhere.
Please call for Solomon's habitation tower.
You feel safe? I sure as hell don't. Let's go find Sinclair. No way we should be splitting up. Safety in numbers.
Yeah, listen to that guy.
Not even sure of that anymore. That thing is unstoppable.
Give me one clear shot. I'll stop the fucker.
Fuck it. Ha! I win.
Station serving the Solomon's Galleria Mall, Colonial Marshal Bureau, and Seegson Habitation Suites.
Ripley, we're in the Marshal Bureau. Just turn right at the top of the stairs. You can't miss it.
No welcome committee?
Just get up here. Wait's out.
Noted. Damn it. Through the fuck the marshal's door?
Calm down. Calm down. You're safe now. Waits has a plan.
A plan? Really? His fucking plans haven't done us much good so far.
He's got a plan, Arthur.
Was that you? Did you
Maybe
get
we'll
the
be safe
transit
here.
running? Nice work.
For now, anyway.
How's Taylor?
Stable. Should be walking soon enough. Samuels is with her now.
Okay.
You managed to get transit up and running, so I guess we're even.
Where's Ricardo?
Prepping our next move. Look, I'm busy. I've got Marlowe in the cells, the lowlife who showed up with your flight recorder.
Where's Marlowe's ship? The Anisadora.
He put it in a parking orbit around the gas giant. Son of a bitch won't give us the command codes to let us bring it in on auto. Maybe you can get more out of the unhelpful bastard. Go talk to him.
Okay. That window fucked your face up so bad, dude. Where am I going? Told me to go talk to him. I assume he's not in here. Oh. Hostiles nearby. What? Is she fucking here? She's here. I got news for you, Marshall. I think I brought her to you. She likes me. Nope, that's the same place. Where the fuck? Where the fuck is the guy I gotta talk to? Why are you so stanced up? My guy. Can you at least point me in the... Oh. Ha! He's over here. Never mind.
Marlowe?
Who wants to know?
My name's Ripley. I'm with the company.
Oh shit, you're dead, aren't you?
You guys are keen, I'll give you that.
I'm here for personal reasons. My mother was on the Nostromo when it went missing 15 years ago.
You serious? Shit. Well. Shit. We never found her ship, Ripley. Just the recorder.
But you sure as hell found something else. What happened out there?
I need a way out of here, Ripley. Maybe we can make a deal.
Just start talking. I want to know everything.
Com check. You get me, Lewis? A little fuzzy, Marlowe, but you're coming through.
Let's take it slow. I want to get to that beacon in one piece.
If you're looking for a piece, Foster, I've got something for you right here.
I'd need scanning equipment to find it, Heist.
Okay, enough already. Focus on what we're here for. I don't want any mistakes.
Oh boy, I get to do this? I thought it was just gonna be a cutscene. Oop, sorry.
There you are. Foster, Meeks, keep your eyes open. Roger.
Signal's getting stronger over here.
You think this could be the big one, man? No more shitty salvage work.
Your guess is as good as mine. Besides, I thought you lived for this stuff.
What? You never think of the future.
I just worry about what's right in front of me.
Check out those rock formations. Bizarre.
I'll have a look around. See if I can find a weak spot. Wait here.
Am I
Gonna need a
leaving?
lift. Heist, over here. Give me a leg up.
Ah.
I found a path. Checking it out.
What if you don't come back?
Then you wait some more. Shit!
Marlo, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It was a close one, though. Don't think I'll be able to get back the way I came.
Just watch yourself, you hear me? Marlo, we see you.
Stay put. I think I found something. There's a fissure in the rock. Stand back. I'm gonna blow it.
Don't do that to me again.
Let's get going. Follow me. Heist, over here. Give me a leg up.
Whee! Oh, okay. Why does it start me behind them when they move so slow? And hi. How you doing? Personal space? No. I gotta whisper in the ear. Excuse me. Pardon me. You move too slow. Hello, cute kitty cat. Oh shit. Are we? Why would you? Why? Like, why would you look at this and be like, ooh, let's explore inside? What about this? Says, hey, come on in. Just asking. Maybe it has treats? I'm not sure I want treats if they look like anything in this. We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Something big.
That's what this whole building ship thing says. This is what being a Girl Scout is all about. I wouldn't know. I stopped at brownies.
Careful with what you touch. I don't want anything damaged.
It's amazing. How old must this be?
What is it? A cockpit?
And make this a ship.
Ha ha! I think we found our payload.
Hey, quiet!
What? You think we're gonna wake him? Hey, sorry, pal.
Can it? We're wasting time. Have a look around.
Marlowe. It's a life form.
It was a life form.
Ew.
Now it's our property. Salvage rights.
We need to stake our claim before anyone else does.
And East Agora's not prepared for something this big.
Then
Do
we'll
what
take
I
what
want,
we
Girl
can and
Scout
come back.
cookies.
Have a look around, see what else is here.
Marlowe, we found something. Tracks.
Tracks?
Looks like something was dragged. But that's not all. You're not gonna like this.
What is it?
Tracks lead here.
Same name that's on the flight recorder.
Nostromo. Someone's already been here.
Maybe they abandoned ship and landed here.
I can see that. Shit.
If they were here before us, why is there no record of this place?
Well, if they're still alive, there goes our salvage.
Let's find out. I'll find the beacon and shut it off. Don't want anybody else finding this place. Foster, Heist, check out the cavern below.
Twitch has been doing that lately, randomly. Just, hey, this message is really important, you gotta send it twice.
I've never seen anything like it.
It's not human, I'm telling you that.
No shit. Wait. This might be a stupid question. But are Girl Scouts really just a US thing? And typically they don't actually go door to door. Like sometimes they do, but typically they set up at like a store or something. Yeah, like we did door to door when I was a kid, but I think they stopped doing that, probably for safety reasons, which is very smart. So they set up in very public places now. Plus, I'm pretty sure they get more sales that way too. Sales? Sales. That's the right word. I know English.
Meeks, I found the beacon. I'm gonna check it out.
Stroke the beacon. Stroke the beacon.
Don't know what happened, but the beacon stopped broadcasting.
Marlowe, you have got to see this. It's amazing.
On my way.
Oh, there is Boy Scouts? Maybe you have Girl Scouts too then. There's like 5 or 6 levels and brownies are only the second. They're like the first and second, aren't they? Like there's 2 levels of brownies and then it goes into other things. There's 4 ranks and brownies is the second. What's the first one? I don't remember that. Rainbows? Daisies are the first. Okay. Yep, I made it to brownies. And that was it. Rainbows in the UK. Okay. Can I just hop up? No, I gotta find stairs. Hop up. Oh, there we go. I can't hop up. Hallelujah.
Here, strap yourself in.
Oh. Where do I... Right here? Yes. Okay. When the alien is isolated. Well, this one is, but they don't realize that yet. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Over here.
But also, oh no.
Watch the drop.
Big oh no.
Come on.
Wait up.
Cutscene. You really want to miss that? Yeah. Yeah. Always gotta learn the hard way. Door locked.
Everything. Where's your ship? If we can break the comms lockdown, what are the codes to bring it in on auto?
If you want more, then you need to get me out of here.
Not happening, Marlowe.
Is that right? Well, you know where I am.
Wait, my board in the tech spire just lit up like a Christmas tree. It's here.
Plan B. Set it up.
Whatever's happening, I want in.
Okay, this way. Got something here you'll need.
Okay. Ooh, flamethrower! Let's go!
Let's hope this thing works.
It's an animal. Animals are afraid of fire.
I hope you're right.
Should probably make some of these. Do I have... I don't. We're just gonna make this then. Damn. Flamethrower only has 500 ammo. Welcome back, Cage! Revolver.
I've got a plan to trap it. Take a transit car and meet Ricardo in the Systech Spire. I'll coordinate from here.
Okay, but we're not alone. I feel I should let you know that. I've heard the stompies up above, and my tracker keeps beeping at me. Ooh, terminal. Waits, we're a trap down. The creature set off explosives we set in the habitation tower, and I'm hearing reports of damage to the spaceflight terminal docks. I don't think we put a dent in it. There's activity in San Cristobal, so maybe it's gone back. Find a way over to the SciMed Tower Transit. Hope to God the sensors in medical reception are still online. Okay, not important to me. Onwards!
Stay awake, jackass. If we're gonna get through this, I need you alive.
If he falls asleep, he's dead. You should be taking turns sleeping, by the way. Getting the flamethrower is huge. But also, I have a question. Because, like, early game I was here, and I went to go that way. And as soon as that door opened, the xenomorph was on the other side. So she's already been in there. So, how are they safe? Or how do they think they're safe? Because she was killing someone when I opened that door the first time.
Ripley, you on your way?
Yeah.
Ricardo's moving in ahead of you. I've sent your guy Samuels to android processing. Once this thing's dead, I'm gonna get him to access Apollo and lift the lockdown.
Samuel's okay doing that?
Guy said he wanted to help, and I have my hands full here. Besides, he's a synthetic. Should be easier for him to get in there.
I guess.
Look, Ripley, we're the only people standing between Sevastopol and outright disaster.
Outright disaster has already happened, Waits. All we can do now is kill that fucker.
She got a point. They, honestly, Cage, they are pretty fucking stupid. Like, hey, they've survived this long, but that don't mean nothing. Alright, that way. Are you the one I need? You are. Boop. She's not stalking me right now. We're good. Beep, 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 beep. To overanalyze it a bit, I think they survived this long simply because the alien is a hunter and doesn't necessarily see the superiority it has. You know? Yeah, that's a possibility. Or they've just been really quiet this whole time, so she's like, eh.
I'm in the Systex Spire.
Heads up. I'm reading lots of malfunctioning systems in your area.
But are there hot aliens in my area? Oh, shit. Holy fuck. Ugh, that got me.
Please contact your nearest fire assembly point. This is not a drill. Do not
Oh!
engage.
I didn't think you were right there! Holy fuck! Fuck this place! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! It's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. I asked for hot aliens, not hot androids. And that is not the kind of hot I meant. Okay, so where am I going? Doesn't say. Into the fire? Into the fire. Because this is so smart, Ripley. So incredibly smart. What? What? Button. There we go.
Wait, what's wrong with this station?
It's always been falling apart, but because of the decommission, a lot of the systems have been shut down. Add to the fact that everyone's too busy trying to stay alive to maintain anything, and you end up with goddamn chaos.
Are you my friend? I don't think you're my friend. You might be my friend, though. Nope, you're not my friend. Definitely not my friend.
Glad I found you guys.
I think the hot single alien is back in my area.
I've got to sleep soon. I can't hack much more of this. Station feels like a graveyard, huh? It's your idea, not mine.
I think it's time to use a smoke bomb. Hot single alien, yes.
Get away. If we see it, we just run.
That went a lot further than I wanted it to. No, don't bounce off of the floor, you fucking piece of shit!
Did something back there just explode?
It's the least of your problems. The creature's nearby.
You heard the lady. Let's go.
Oh, were they friendly? Did I just waste those? Well. Whoops. I wasn't supposed to come up here. Fuck. This is what happens when you just book it. Well, this is embarrassing. Ripley throws smoke grenades, runs by, takes an elevator, comes back down. On the bright side, I did not shoot friendlies. You're right. Friendly fire isn't. You're right, impartial. Thank you. Where'd they go? Oh, they opened that door. Whoops! Oh, they closed the door in my face. Can't believe it's been almost 11 years since you played this. Can you believe it's my first time playing it?
Keep your head together. You can do it.
Where the fuck am I going? Break's over already? Alright. Enjoy. Oh no, you got a clip. Oh no. Thank you for the clip. I'm afraid to find out what part it was. Good luck with work.
Wait, the creature. How are we gonna seal it in?
The Spire was built to process high-value compounds dredged up from the gas giant. Piracy precautions are still in place. The tower can be shut off, vents, doors, everything. So, you build a cage around the creature, and Ricardo locks it down.
And then I accidentally get trapped with it. Probably.
Entrance is dead ahead. Use the terminal in reception to open the door.
Hot food! Dude, if I had a vending machine that could give me french fries, I'd be so screwed. What chapter is this? I think chapter 8? I think the last pop-up I got was that I completed chapter 7. Thank you for the follow, Baked Beans Enjoyer. I hope you enjoy your stay. And those baked beans. That's a fun name. Door control.
Ricardo's finalizing the lockdown. You need to close the security doors all around the stairwell. Then the supply storage, maintenance access, and server hub reception. Report in as you
Oh
go.
shit, it's an android. Man. Here I thought it was the hot single alien. I think the one behind me is the hot single alien up in the vents.
Sevastopol.
Was that a waste? Possibly. But I didn't have to worry about him turning around at me, so we're good. But now he's following me, which is not good. Security shutters. To the camp group. We can't keep a full guard 24/7. Don't you sneak up on me while I'm reading. But with the volunteer lookouts and the Spire's existing security systems, we can keep it watertight. From this point onward, we don't raise the security shutters for anyone. And all supply runs have to go through me. We can get through this, guys. Thompson. Baked beans. Don't know how much longer I can take this. It's cramped and dirty and the trash is starting to rot. I think he just walked in. No, he didn't. We're good. I don't even know if we're really safe here. Carter and Thompson came back from their recons last week with a couple of guns, and I'm starting to see a different side to some of the people here. Maybe that woman Winters was right. There's a dog that comes into work occasionally, and she's a little Frenchie. Her name is Frankie. And my favorite thing is to tell her she's built like a baked bean. 'Cause she is. She's itty bitty and kind of stubby, and it's really cute.
I'm recording this for anyone else who was away when it happened. I can't tell who escaped. There are some boys, but the other was taken through the vents, one by one. The doors were locked, but the ceiling vents were open. There was nowhere to run and no one to let them out. It was like a fox dropping into a hen house. I should move on. There's a couple of survivors who still trust the marshal in the mall. And then there's Sinclair and his idiot man with guns somewhere in habitation. But I doubt either will last the week.
A warning. Sinclair, I have verified reports that you and your men are shooting civilians and looting supplies. When I find a way to kill this creature, I hope to hell that it found you first. Waits. Truce. Sinclair, I know we've had our differences since you and your Sigs and security team arrived on Sevastopol, but right now we have a severe situation. We need a united front. In return for your total cooperation, I am willing to drop my investigation into your involvement in unregistered black market trading and drop all claims I had on the Systech Spire Marshal office where you and your thugs operate from. Let's do this right. Marshal waits. Those civilians have it co? Fat fingered the send button, never done that before. Have you? Have you never? Open cells. I want to loot that dead body first. Ew. He's been dead for a while. Anyways, the civilians had it coming. Is that what you were trying to say? Oh wait, the cell doors are probably that back there. I saw that, ma'am. That was not even the vent. That That was the ceiling. Right next to the vent. I don't appreciate that. Don't come out. Ah, I think I need to go push that button or pull that lever, whatever it was.
Maintenance access shut off.
Affirmative, Ripley.
I opened up a shortcut for myself just to seal it off from myself. It's fine. Everything's fine. I don't think he saw me. He would have moved, right? I can't make an EMP. I can't make a noisemaker. I can make a smoke bomb. I don't know how well that'll help me. I can also stun him again. Oh, he's gone. He's not gone very far. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, so I can't run from the robot. Cool. I don't know where my save was. Cool. Okay. Right before I set free the robot. Cool.
Ricardo's finalizing the lockdown. You need to close the security doors all around the stairwell. And the supply storage.
Oh, I need to make my way up. I know how to words. Alright, maybe I should kill this robot here. I'm gonna try to kill this robot here. Alright, there goes all my revolver rounds. Okay, that's fair. That's why I tried it here. The wagon has entered the station. Are you trying to tell me it's lunchtime? Alright, so we don't kill the robot, because if we do that, then the hot single alien comes down and kills us.
Ricardo's
Yeah? Okay.
finalizing the lockdown.
Let me just try to get through this section real quick.
All around the stairwell. Then the supply storage, maintenance access, and server hub reception. Report in as you go.
Actually. Alright, let's see. It can drop down there, or it can drop down here, or it can drop down that hallway. I did get eaten, yes. Is there anywhere else to hide down there? Not really. Like, I feel like if because I need to take out this android. Specifically. Okay. Now climb in. Climb in. There we go. Nope. If she comes in here with me, I'm flamethrowing her. Real quick, I love Vacuously's emotes. I love her new model too. It's so cute. I got gifted her emotes and I'm sitting there and I was like using them. I'm like, you know what? I'm continuing this gift sub for the emotes. Like, I fucking love these. They're so useful. They're so good. I thought you were about to say I love vacuums. Woo! Why couldn't you do that when I was prepared? Fuck! God damn it! I was not ready. Fuck you, bitch! Oh! Okay. God. I was talking to chat. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's all gonna be fine.
Finalizing the lockdown. You need to close the security doors all around the stairwell.
Alright, I can't admire emotes, I get it.
Maintenance access and server hub reception. Report in as you go.
This is what I get for loving another VTuber's emotes. I'm sorry.
Please let us know.
I'm still gonna try to do this though. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. Please don't be walking around in here. Please not right this second. Okay. I'd never searched the android's body. It's fine. It's fine. No. No. Fuck off. Fuck off. Whew. I need a save point. Okay, this was just a reading one, that's right. You set up her Discord and thought to give her a crash course. She goes one thing at a time. Fuck. Don't you fucking dare, you bitch. You bitch! Get back up there. Get back where you belong. I need to stop that. Literally be gone, demon. Gone for the moment. Fuck you. Fuck you. No. Oh, it was behind me. Was she able to crawl over the wall, or was there a vent behind me that I didn't see? Fuck. Alright. Alright, decision time. Decision time. Either I keep going until I get past that and get to the next save, which I feel like is probably a long ways, considering I have a lot to lock down. But Bliss and I are gonna go get Chili's for lunch. I'll stream after I get back again, because I still gotta do art stream. And then possibly finish Alien after art. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna go. So I can stop now, where I somewhat know what I'm about to do, and that I will probably be stuck doing it for a while. That bitch is coming, isn't she? Or I'm just paranoid now. She's right over there. That bitch is coming. Anyways. So I can stop now and go get lunch. And then just stream when I get back, and we'll do art and then finish up Alien. Assuming that I don't have too much left. I don't actually know how many chapters are in the game. I'm gonna look that up real quick, actually. Because that is an option. Alien Isolation. How many chapters? Ha! Never mind. 19 story missions. And I'm on, like, chapter 8. Okay. So, not finish Alien today. But I could play Alien again later after art. I think that might be what I do. Original plan was to start art stream now, but, food. Because we didn't get to actually go get food last night. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to end for now. And thank you all for hanging out. And supporting my scary hot single alien android extravaganza. And we will play this again later. Blah. So stream is temporarily ending. But yeah. I'll be back in a couple hours probably. Let's see where I can throw you while I'm gone though. I think there's a mod to turn the androids into 2B. I'd rather turn them into A2. I gotta look this up. I actually think I know where we're going. Never mind. We're gonna go raid Hangry Heather. Because it seems she is raising money for Feeding America, and fuck yes, please. Please donate if you can. If you can't, no worries. Completely understand. The world is shit right now. Alright, I gotta pull her up. She's playing Fallout New Vegas, so you know it's gonna be a good time anyways. And I will see you guys later. I hope you guys have a wonderful time. And yeah. Hope to see you later. Have a great day, great afternoon, great night, whatever it is, wherever you are. If I don't see you later, then hey, have a good one. I love you all. Bye-bye.